Hello everyone. Today's our topic is object of class. My name is Rameshwar Valerav. Today we discuss the object of the class. The object of the class is the object of the class is a parent class of the all classes. Means the object class is behave like a parent class. In other words, the topmost class in Java is object class. Means the we can create employee class, they and extend to another employee class, employee one, and in that situation, the the class employee one is extend object class. There is a multiple inheritance occur. In other case, we create a one class employee class, and there is no extend any class. Uh, in that case, the by default employee class is extend the object class, and in object class, the the object class is a beneficial if you want to refer any object you don't their data type you don't their data type to refer the object class. Notify parent class refer the variable, can refer the child class, and there are 11 types of object class. uh, First is a get class hash code equals to clone to string, notify all, wait, wait long time long, int nanosecond. Second is a wait, last is a finalize. The mostly used class is the get class and toString class. ToString class is a very useful class in object class, and the public class, the get class method is a final method in public access modifier. Uh, the get class method return the class object, and this object return the class object. In this object can further be used to get the meta table of the class. Means the get class is get the one class in other class, means the get the class name. uh, Hash code. Second is a hash code method is in object class is used to return the hash code number of the given object or class, or this class. Means the we call the hash code method we call the hash code method of employee one class. The hash code method return the code or the id, on other word, nothing but the id of the this class. The hash code method return type is a int. Next is a equals method are equalize or check the whether two class is equal or not. The equal method return type is a boolean. Next is a clone method. Clone method is nothing but a object copy. Means we can copy we can create a copy of class using the new keyword. The working is the clone is same. We can create a copy of any class in and store in a reference variable through the clone. Next is notify. Notify is notify is wakes up a single thread with the object of the object's mirror. And next is notify all, wakes up the all threads object of this class. Next is a toString method. ToString method is used to call the another string inside the string. Means the we can call the another class, another string class to this class. Next one is finalize. Finalize class is the invoke the by garbage operation, garbage collection of class. Means there is a garbage collection of a class, and that's all. The all method are used in methods in object class. And this is a very useful method because the we simplify the data type of this class uh, if you don't know. And that's all. Thank you.